Hi, and welcome to SimplyLearnStuff. In this video, as part of a series where we are looking at various different text functions within Excel, we'll be looking how to extract specific data, in this case, names, from the name and surname column in column D. Even though we do have the names and surnames in column B and C, we will pretend that we do not have that information and want to write a function to be able to extract only the name from column D. We can simply do that by combining the left function and the find function. To do so, we can just start typing the left function and select the text where we want to extract the names from. Thereafter, the next portion of the function is inserting the number of characters we want to extract. As per previous examples, we could just add the number 5, as there are 5 characters given in the name Tabi, but all the other names does have various lengths. So what we can do is use the find function to find a specific unique character within the name and surname column, in this case, the space. As we already inserted the find function in column N, giving us the number of 6, we can simply choose that function to include in the left function. However, do take note, if we complete the function just like this, it will extract all 6 of the left characters, which will include a space. Because we do not want the space, we can simply just -1 behind the find function, which will then give us the number 5. As we spill the function downwards, it will then turn the 5 of the find into a 4 for Maya, the 5 to a 4 for Tess, and so forth, giving us the opportunity to extract only the name from column D. We will be looking at how we can extract something like a surname in upcoming videos. I trust you enjoyed this video, and remember to like and subscribe.